In today's digital world, your personal data is worth more than cash. Your entire digital identity is a prime target for thieves. So, how do you protect it? It boils down to three core principles. First, use two-factor authentication. A password is just one lock. 2FA adds a second, like a fingerprint or a code sent to your phone. If a hacker steals your key, they're still stopped at that second lock. It's a simple, powerful step. Second, avoid phishing. This is digital deception. Attackers send fake emails that look real, creating panic to trick you into clicking malicious links. Be suspicious. Check the sender's address. When in doubt, don't click. And third, install software updates. Think of your apps as a protective wall. Ignoring updates leaves holes in it, open doors for hackers. Updates are the security patches that seal those gaps and keep intruders out. Remember, technology provides the tools, but the weakest link in security is always human error. Your vigilance is your strongest shield.